Gift wrapping is not just about covering a present, it's about making someone feel special even before they open the box. The way you wrap a gift adds personality, thought, and a little magic. So let's explore some creative and beautiful gift wrapping ideas you can try at home. Let's begin with the classic style. Shh, come closer. This is not just a square of cloth, it's a shapeshifter, a magician, a little rebel against boring wrapping paper. Today, you're about to hear the secret life of fabric wrapping. Imagine a soft square of cotton lying on your table. It's pretending to be nothing special, but the moment a gift lands in the center, it wakes up, like a superhero putting on a cape, and says, "All right, time to make some magic." The gift starts to blush. Paper tears, it whispers. Plastic crinkles. But fabric? Fabric hugs me. The cloth stretches, flips, folds, whoosh. Suddenly the gift is wearing a silky kimono, tied with a knot that looks like a bow from a fairy tale. Sometimes the fabric plays tricks. It makes the gift look so good that your friend stares at the wrap for 5 whole minutes before even opening it. Sometimes it hides a secret message tucked in the folds. Sometimes it doubles as a scarf, a bandana, or even a tiny picnic blanket later. Two gifts in one. That's fabric wrapping's favorite joke. When you hand over a fabric wrapped gift, it's not just a present. It's a story you're telling with your hands, a wink of eco friendliness, a sprinkle of old world charm, a dash of "I actually care about you." That's why people smile wider, hold it closer, and remember it longer. So, next time you're about to wrap a gift, skip the paper roll. Grab a scarf, a scrap of fabric, anything with personality. Tie it, knot it, twist it, let it flirt a little. Watch the gift turn into a character. And when your friend unwraps it, smile. Because you didn't just wrap a gift, you wrapped a moment.
Thanks for watching.